Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to solve this 2025 MIT Integration Bee. Alright, the antiderivative of cube root of 3 sine s minus sine 3s ds. Alright, so we see that this angle right here is triple this angle. So we need to convert this one to this one by using the formula sine 3s equals 3 sine s minus 4 sine qs. Alright, so this guy turns out to be the integral of cube root of 3 sine s minus 3 sine s plus 4 sine cube of s, right? ds. So this guy turns out to be the antiderivative of cube root of 4 sine cube s ds, right? Now I'm going to split this one into two different radicals, right? So it turns out to be cube root of 4 the antiderivative of sine s ds, right? Now the antiderivative of sine s is going to be negative cosine s, right? So it's going to be negative cube root of 4 times cosine s plus c. This one is the final answer. If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.